Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. I am so grateful. If today's the first day you are seeing my eyes and my face for the first time, this is Agatha Progress channel, and I come across your way every blessed day. Thank you very much to you that always share my video, like, and comment. I am grateful. I so much appreciate you all. God richly bless you. All right, let's go move into the reason why we are here today. Hope you do enjoy the video. Now, watch it. Let's go.
This one around is very sweet. This is called Operation Pull Your Uniform. We just discovered that these people, they want to use us for caricature game, but God refused and our head reject it. Now hear the news in details. Do you know that Nigeria and the government, the Southwest, the Southeast, the leaders in between, they are confused entity. Why I say they are confused people is that they are trying to use our brain, but they are dealing with intelligent people. Ask me why. Do you know they know how to cause confusion between the youths, especially those that need money? Anytime they have a little problem with Oduduwa people, they want to use the people from South, especially the army and the soldier from South, to fight in Oduduwa's nation, so that it will be like ethnic fights between Biafra and Oduduwa. They are using our head. They want to use their head to hit each other. At times you go to some places and some people will tell you, this one you are not Biafra, this tribe is Biafra, this tribe is not Biafra. My friend, keep quiet. If you notice our leader Mazi Kanu, if you follow our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he made it very clear that as far as you are not against the agitation of Biafra, you are his brother, you are his sister. That is why you see that anything that is happening in Oduduwa nation, our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu love to speak out, love to say the truth the way it is. Anybody that is fighting for freedom, you are our sister or brother. If you are from the north and you came to Biafra land and you start speaking the truth, you speak truth to power, and you are not against us, we don't see you as enemy. That is one thing that we need to correct, because they start using people's head to hit each other. They will tell somebody that is speaking, that is talking about Biafra, a Yoruba man. They will tell him, what do you know about Biafra? You are just backing Biafra. You don't know what Biafras are. You don't know the meaning of Biafra. Please keep quiet. Remove yourself. Let them fight their own fight. My dear, it will get to your turn. And when the thing that is inching people's under the foot of people inch you also, then you will understand more better. Now, we have a message to all the Biafran soldiers that Nigeria FG have made this pronouncement that he is going to send the army from Biafra land to Oduduwa, that he is going to see how these two people are going to work together, and is going to use them against Sunday Igboho. That is what is trending now. That is the latest now. And our beloved brother Mazi have a wonderful message to all the Biafra soldiers that is going to fall in this victim. If you are a Biafra and they send you to go and fight against Sunday Igboho, you better watch your back. You better be careful on what you do, where you go, how you are going to handle this situation, because what will befall you is something that is imaginable. You will not even expect it. So don't say we didn't warn you. We are sending this warning to every army of Biafra. As far as you are a Biafra and you are about to go to Sunday Igboho to go and fight there, you are on your own. And we have said the warning very clear and clear. If you are a Biafra and they are about to pay you money, the zoo government is going to pay you money to fight against Oduduwa, do not go. Now I'm going to drop the video. Hear it from our brother.
If you're a Biafra military man and they send you to go to Sunday Igboho, you are on your own. We disown you. We disown you. If you are a Biafran in military or police, and you are sent to Sunday Igboho to attack his house, or you are part of it, we disown you. Right from the moment you embark on that journey, we disown you. You are no longer a Biafran. So you are there on your own. And we make it very clear. We disown you. And believe me, the Biafra spirit will make you die there. You are going to be the first person that something will hit there and you will die. We disown you if you go to Sunday Igboho as a Biafran and you are in the army. If you have a brother in the army, and if you have a brother in the army and they are in the south, in Yoruba land, call them now. If they go to Sunday Igboho to attack him, we will make sure that the spirit will strike them dead right there. If the bullet didn't come from the bush or from, something will strike them dead. And that's it.
My wonderful and realistic people, this is a spirit of a fighter. Indeed, he is a freedom fighter. He is one man also that I respect a lot as far as the fight of Biafra is concerned. As a freedom fighter, you are not supposed to be tribalist. No, you love everyone. If you are from Ijaw, you are from Yoruba land, you are anywhere. As far as our common goal is to be free from the hands of our enemy, we should love ourselves. If he did not love Sunday Igboho as a friend and as a freedom fighter, they won't send that message. That is what you people need to understand about this movement of Biafra. Biafra has no enemy and Biafra holds no grudges against no one. We are peaceful people. If you want to be peace with us, we are ready to be peace with you to the last call. So we are not tribalists. We are not discriminating anybody. Everybody is equal as far as you fight for your rights. All right, I want to show you another video what the Janjaweed can do in the zoology with their cow. It can only happen in the zoo country. Now watch the video and we will be back.
My word, that is all about this video. Hope you do enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like this video and share this video. Your opinion is highly needed in the comment section. And if you are passing across this video for the first time, you are passing across this channel for the first time, and you haven't subscribed, you haven't joined this family, what are you then waiting for? Please do it to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you again in my next post shortly. I see you when I see you. Peace out.